Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes something extraordinarily bad or shocking: egregious. It might look a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is egregious. Let's break it down. First, we have IA, which sounds like the I in bit. Next is gree, which rhymes with tree and is stressed. Then comes jus, which sounds like jus in just. Now let's put it all together. Egregious. Try repeating after me. Egregious. Now a little faster. Egregious. And at full speed. Egregious. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Egregious refers to something that is exceptionally bad or shocking, often used to describe an error or behavior that is outrageously wrong. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce egregious and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.